Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to add custom fonts to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what you need to do is simply head over to your app section, and there you can simply type in here font. Once you do that, you will be able to realize that multiple apps are going to be showing up. So we're going to be searching in the App Store. Alright, so here as you can see we have this Fontify, and this will be letting us to incorporate multiple fonts using Google. Not only that, it have the ability to add custom fonts, and make sure you install this application. Once you do that, it is going to be offering you custom fonts. So it is pretty simple. Simply click on install, and eventually once you will be able to do that, you can install your own custom fonts onto Shopify. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you are going to be learning something new. So here as you can see, in the installed app, we have this particular option to add a new font. Click on that and you can upload your own font. So that is it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.